Is there a way to broadcast Boolean masks? I'm trying to reduce the number of calculations I do based on search distance. I have n nodes and an nxn Boolean mask that tells me what nodes are within x distance of the other nodes with t true values. I also have nx d data for each node, where d can be 1, 3, or 3 by 3. I want the sparse format, which is a tx d array, so I can do vectorized calculations along the 0 axis. Right now I do this. Sparse data equals data.repeat, data.shape, 0, axis equals 0, dot reshape, np.concatenate, data.shape, 0, data.shape, mask. Which works, but causes memory errors if n is too big, due to the nxnx d array I'm creating with dot repeat. Is there a way to broadcast this? If I do this, data, none, mask. It doesn't work, but it seems like there has to be a more efficient way to do this.
Instead of repeating the data, you can make a view with number py.broadcast_do. However, even easier would be to select the rows of data based on index.
Keep the watch out, these lines open.